Hey everybody, I've picked up my 2022 Lexus NX 450h Plus on the weekend. And the first thing I did was set everything up, and then I start using the navigation. When I actually selected the navigation, in the Canadian market, it actually showed miles. That was odd, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change miles to kilometers because it's not as easy or as intuitive. So right now I'm going to show you what it does and then how do you fix it. Hey Lexus,
What do you want to do?
navigate to CN Tower.
I found CN Tower. Would you like to go now?
No. So you see here it says 28 miles and 31 minutes. So what do you do? So what you need to do is you go to the gear, go to general, language and units, you turn off the set automatically. You would see like there's miles per gallon, liters per hundred, PSI, KPI and all that. What you need to do is change it to miles per gallon. You turn the automatically back on. I go back to the navigation. Then I go to the gear again. Go to general. Go to language and units. Turn that off again. Make sure it's liters per hundred. Then you turn it back on. Now you go back to navigation. So what you've done is it just sets the parameters, and then hopefully that actually changes it back to kilometers. So let's give this a try. Hey Lexus,
What do you want to do?
navigate to CN Tower.
I found CN Tower. Would you like to go now?
No. So now you have it. CN Tower is 46 kilometers away from where I am and 32 minutes. So now the navigation comes back to the Canadian world, where it will actually provide kilometers instead of miles. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. And again, if you want to see something about my NX 450h Plus, leave a comment, like and share, and we'll see you next time.